The king sits alone staring at the moon.
Servants whisper behind the pillars. A guard nervously drops his spear.
Ever since our arrival, dreams had fled the palace. The king began to hear whispers, even in silence.
Why do the trees call her name?
Adeyemi was alone in the sacred forest. Kneeling before the Iroko tree, she places three kola nuts on a leaf, chanting slowly,
Mind of the forest, open the ears of the one who forgot.
The forest stirred.
No breeze blew, yet the leaf danced.
Promise me, if the crown comes, your heart will still be mine. Young Adeyemi said to Adegboro beneath the moonlight Iroko tree. Even if the gods crown me, your name will remain in my blood. King Adegboro promised, but he lied, and the gods remembered what he forgot.